Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn about independent and dependent events in probability. Independent events mean the result of one event does not change the probability of the other event. Imagine flipping a coin and rolling a die. The coin does not remember what the die did, and the die does not care about the coin. For independent events, the probability of A and B happening together is P times P of B. Example, roll a 4 on a fair 6-sided die and flip heads on a fair coin. Probability of 4 is 1/6. Probability of heads is 1/2. Multiply them to get 1/12. Dependent events mean the first event changes the probability of the next event. This usually happens when we do not replace an item. Imagine a bag with 3 red marbles and 2 blue marbles. We pick a marble and tip it. That changes the number of marbles left. After picking 1 red marble, there are only 2 red and 2 blue left. So the probability for the second pick changes. For dependent events, the formula is P of A and B equals P of A times P of B given A. Using the marble example, probability of red first is 3/5. Probability of red second after a red is 2/4. Multiply to get 3/10. Here is a quick summary. Independent events. One does not affect the other, usually with replacement. Dependent events. The first event changes the next, usually without replacement. Now let's compare. Suppose we have 10 marbles, 6 green and 4 yellow, and we want 2 green ones. Independent case. Pick one, put it back, then pick again. So the probability is 6/10 times 6/10, which equals 0.36. Dependent case. Pick one and keep it, then pick again. That is 6/10 times 5/9, which is about 0.33. The key idea is simple. If the first event changes the pool, the probability changes. That makes the events dependent. Thank you for watching.